Okay, here's the Epiphone acoustic on the bench top. And I've been thinking, what is the best approach to this? Taking a look at the crack here. Let me try to get closer into this. I'm able to separate it with a little pressure. I don't want to put much pressure on. Pumping some glue in there and then bringing it back tight. Give it a try. It's the next day. I've given it 24 hours to dry. Looking at it very well, you know, you have to take a few things into consideration. The value of the guitar now, monetary value that is. Then the value of the guitar to the customer, emotional value that is. And your feelings as a tech and experience, what does it dictate to you? Does it need more or less? So all these things come into play when you look at a repair like this. And I'm putting a lot of pressure on here right now in my hand. And we can see it in no way is this twisting or moving or anything, which tells me that the repair as it stands now is really quite good. If I sand it down, there's only a little bit missing from here, which can easily be filled, and I can do my best to match the colors using pigmented dye. I think it would suffice, to be honest. I don't see the need for wood supports here and here from what I see. I really think it will last. So, you know, these are the things that you have to think about. You know, some might not agree with me and think that you'll need wood supports on each side of the truss rod area. I don't. I might change my mind, and I've done that before. At least let's sand this down. The way I see it now, I don't think it needs to go that far. I mean, it's an Epiphone. I have to look at the resale value of it. I don't think the resale value of this one is that great. And I have to talk with the customer and get a feel of what the emotional value of it is. And then I'll make up my mind for sure.